But in case we need it, it's here.
Exactly. Well, I'm gonna record a video leaving our villa here. Driving there, see how the GoPro works out. Sorry about that, just tilted up a little bit. So when we picked our car up from the service station, that did some repairs on it. I got home. We had ran over some broken glass, so I was just checking the tires out. And noticed I had a lug nut missing on the front, on the passenger side. So, and we were heading out to the beach this morning. We're just gonna go to Subway here and get Subway sandwiches. Quick and easy snack to eat while out on the beach and relatively healthy. And now we gotta make a pit stop to get some new lug nuts put on. I noticed lug nuts on the front. I replaced all the ones on the back, and now the ones on the front are different sizes, some of them, so I was going to get new lug nuts all the way around in the front. So I wanted to see how smooth the GoPro camera was here.
Baby, worldwide, baby.
Get around a little bit better without GPS. I haven't got it going right now. I just got to clarify from Jen where I'm going. She's been down this way more than I have. I like their speed bumps here. Las Américas where we are in this area. It's just north of Merida. I don't know if they consider this part of Merida or not, but it's a fairly big community.
They call it a fraccionamento, and I'm not really sure on the translation on that. The best I got is community. So honestly, I don't know with Darryle, I don't know if they consider it part of Merida. It's a fraccionamento. So I am thinking yes, it's a fraccionamento of Merida because there's other fraccionamentos that are closer or in Merida, I would consider. So yeah, I'm gonna say it's part of Merida. And I'm sorry if my pronunciation was terrible.
This one here always messes me up because it's like a Y before the traffic circle. I get messed up on that one. Yeah, this one messes me up every time. Well, the 3 times I've been down here.
It's not actually a circle.
There's everything over here, and as you've seen, this is not very far from where we live, so we probably come over here to do a lot of our shopping, I think, now. Like I say, there's everything here. Tope! Me and Jen just shout that out all the time now. So, I'm gonna go to this little tire repair shop where I bought my tires. I'm gonna have to go down here and then I gotta do a little Loop-de-Loo and turn around and go back the other way on the other side. Everywhere you go, you're always backjacking. You go turn around and then go back. Alrighty, I'm that old guy that just goes really slow and holds up traffic. People are passing me like crazy. I think it's around here somewhere. There it is right there. Yeah, there's the boys right there.